Still downloading SAP reports manually every day? What if I told you, this entire process can be done in just one click? In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to fully automate SAP reporting using Excel VBA. Let's start. If you are still downloading SAP reports manually every day, you are wasting hours of valuable time. In this video, I will show you how to fully automate SAP report extraction using Excel VBA and SAP GUI scripting. No more repetitive downloads. No more manual errors. With just one click, your reports will be extracted, processed, and ready for analysis. This approach is not just automation. It's a shift towards smarter, faster decision making. Let's get started. First we log on to SAP, just click this button. Next we choose the module. Next choose the reports under this module, this will get the required code automatically. Next we choose the variant. Finally we click execute. Imagine opening Excel and instantly seeing the operational health of your entire production system. This dashboard automatically extracts SAP production order data, detects exceptions, calculates risk levels, and visualizes everything in real time. No manual reporting. Just automated operational intelligence. Did you know that in many manufacturing systems, over half of production orders may contain some form of exception? Manually checking SAP reports for these issues can take hours. But with Excel VBA automation, we can instantly detect exceptions, classify their severity, and display the results in a live operational dashboard. Automation turns raw SAP data into actionable insight. Severity ranking is not about coloring cells red and green. It's about structured logic. In this SAP use case, we implemented severity directly in Excel VBA. Low for minor deviations. Medium for documentation or controllable gaps. High for production or data integrity risks. But here's the key. Severity is not hard-coded. It's calculated. The macro evaluates plan quantity, operation mismatch, yield variance against tolerance, and confirmation logic. Then assigns priority low, medium, or high. That's the difference between formatting and decision automation. Severity ranking in VBA. Done right. Most people start with code. That's the mistake. Before writing a single line of VBA, you must design the exception logic. Ask first. What is a real business issue? What is just documentation noise? What should trigger escalation? What can be monitored? Define categories. Define priority. Define tolerance. Define ownership. Only after the logic is clear. Do you automate it? Because VBA does not create intelligence. It only executes what you design. Strong SAP automation starts with thinking, not typing. Design first. Code second. SAP reports deviations. But SAP does not assign responsibility. If an issue appears in GUI, who fixes it? Planning. Production. Documentation. SAP support. If ownership is unclear, exceptions stay open, and reports grow longer. Every exception must have a responsible function. Production issues go to production. Data issues go to planning. System issues go to SAP support. Automation is not just classification. It's routing. No owner. No resolution.